Oh my! She's only into me cause I'm famous, but she don't know what that means. Need a ruby to feel like a queen, pretty and petty, but hey, that's okay with me. Immaculate energy with the way she's always moving to the beat. And I'm moody with them on the swings, pretty and petty, but hey, that's okay with me. Alright, oh my, I really just got verified that she all of my DMs like Carpe Diem is an everyday part of her life. Wait a minute, I think she believing that I'm like an actual kind of celebrity. She assuming that CCB easily giving her VVS's that I ever need.